Alrighty, everybody, it's Michael Alder here from rawlandinvestments.com. I just added a few new parcels and updated the website. So if you're interested in some cheap land in Arkansas, if you came over to rawlandinvestments.com, scroll down to the bottom here. We have a new parcel in Izard County, Arkansas. It's over a third of an acre. Here's the parcel number, the legal description, the GPS coordinates. Now, to search out the property, if you put the Google Earth app on your phone and just punch in these coordinates right here, that'll take you to the property, and you can kind of scroll around to see what's nearby and things like that. This particular property has a lake nearby, so I'm sure you can do some fishing and things of that nature. Good outdoor fun. This is a seller financing deal, 25 down and 25 a month for only 48 months to own this property. If you wanted to go ahead and purchase this one or any of the other properties on my site, you just click the Buy It Now button. It'll take you to the checkout page. You fill in your details there, submit your credit card on the next, and within 24 hours, I'll send over a contract to be signed and sent back, which basically just spells out the details described right here, 25 down, 25 a month for 48 months. And we give a 90-day grace period in the case of default, where a lot of people only give 30 to 60 days. I know sometimes people fall on hard financial times and they got to, wait for their money to get right again. So we give up to 90 days to go ahead and let us know that they'll be getting back on track, and then you're good to go. Or if you want to walk away at that point, no problem. But we give plenty of time if any financial distress falls on your lap during the term of our contract. So what do you do in Izard County? A lot of outdoor stuff here. So if you were buying this for personal and not as an investment, you got the Fisherman's Lodge, caverns, boat docks, museums, caves, state parks, pizza. Looks like countless other things. There's several pages, but a lot of outdoor activities to do in Izard County, Arkansas. Now let's see if there's even any value in this deal. So I'm over on Land Watch right now, searching properties in the county from low to high price-wise, so we can get an idea of the best deal. Here's a seller finance deal, similar size property, $3,200 on terms. Ours is $1,200 on terms. Now, if you could pony up some cash, you could actually save some money. Here's one for $600. Here's one for $900. Looks like we have a healthy dose of them for about $900, all cash, comparable size. So if you take advantage of the financing, then you're paying about $1,200. Now here's several for $1,200, same size, cash price. So with our financing terms we're offering, I think I'm doing pretty fair price-wise there. So if you want to take advantage of that, like I said, just go over to the website, and links will be below this video. Just click on that and you'll be able to make the purchase. If you're interested in any of the other properties on my site, same scenario, just go ahead and click the Buy It Now button, and we'll send over a contract within 24 hours to be signed and sent back. If I don't have what you're looking for, go ahead, comment below, and I will see if I have a property that'll fill your order. So thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you on the next video.